This turmeric didn't start in soil. It went through a simple preparation process. Let me show you how it got here, starting from the very first step. When the roots are strong, I gently lift the plant from the rice husk medium. I leave the husk attached to support the fine roots. Then I move it into prepared soil and cover it carefully to keep the plant stable. Everything starts with healthy rhizomes. Good planting material makes a big difference in early growth. Before sprouting, the turmeric rhizomes are soaked in a natural solution. 3 sliced shallots mixed into 1 liter of water help prepare the rhizomes before planting. Before transplanting, the turmeric grows in this simple system. A perforated container filled with fermented rice husk sits above a bucket of water. Only 1 centimeter at the bottom stays soaked. After 1 week, the first shoots begin to appear. This shows the moisture level is just right. This is how the turmeric looks after 3 weeks. Healthy shoots and strong roots mean it's ready for transplanting. This method focuses on preparation and root health. Strong roots lead to strong plants. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening.